Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, May 22nd, 2001, 8 am. Yes, we all searched before finding the way. That is how humans operate before reaching what is suitable for their level of evolution. Opportunities arise when the moment has come, and then the real work can begin and bear its fruits. There are no other means. When a soul is ready, the master who is intended for it appears, and this is a determining encounter. Will fusion take place? All depends on the aspirant's ardor and on how he will lead his sadhana. The master accompanies, he doesn't lead by force. This collaborative action is voluntarily agreed upon and can lead to the highest level of perfection. All the beauty of our way can then appear and delight the fervent hearts that manage to surrender with confidence and love. Thus, this process is tirelessly repeated. It is part and parcel of the rules laid down in conformity with man's evolution. All is programmed in advance. There is no room for whim in this system. Each one has one's own role to play. One's ardor must overcome all the obstacles that inevitably occur. This is how it goes in any initiatory process. Nothing can be acquired easily. Until the end of time, the same rights and the same effects will tirelessly be reproduced to honor the divine plans. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. The medium says, Babuji, when will all these ordeals end? I cannot get through them. It is hopeless. You have already come a long way, experiencing suffering and ordeals of all sorts. It is the lot of humans in general. As far as you are concerned, this choice corresponds to the thirst for progress that characterizes you. Thus is your life's path. You cannot escape from it. Would you give up this way of yours? Do you have regrets? Would you like to turn back the clock? We do not think so. You have known for a long time that this body, which serves you with courage and dignity, has already done a lot for you. It is in your full acceptance that you are advancing henceforth. You have the privilege to know the reasons for your life. It is rich in very many respects. What would you have done without this deliberate choice on your part, which makes you put spiritual interest at the forefront? Would the pleasures of this world, which most humans put up with, have satisfied you? We doubt it. Your fellow creatures who do not have this dimension do not manage to feel this emptiness. It is felt in various ways. Sometimes life seems intolerable to them and makes them act in a desperate and sometimes extreme way. You who are lucky to be able to face ordeals with the shield of faith, being certain of a future and a hereafter beyond this life, keep heart. This stay on earth is short. Everything is relative in this world. Whatever may happen, your heart is protected from any evil. Be reassured and at peace on this point. Babuji Maharaj.